We're here at the Residency Education Summit Midwest in Chicago, having a great program here, and I'd like to introduce you to Dr. Suhad Hadi that runs our faculty development workshop. So this is a program that she runs to help residency directors be better teachers in their programs. Can you tell us about your program today?
So the program is geared towards the residency directors, and our goal is to educate the educators and help them understand the ins and outs of residency training, residency education, and the personalities that they're going to encounter in the residency setting. Some of the topics that we'll cover everything from learner types and personalities and how to deal with conflicting personalities, how to assess a resident where they are on their learning spectrum, and apply this even to like their students that rotate into their programs. We also talk about the importance of assessing your residents on a regular basis throughout their training, and not just assessing them in terms of giving them an evaluation of themselves and where they are, but actually doing a physical examination that tests them somewhere partway throughout the residency and then again at the end of the residency, so that they themselves can see where they've grown and the directors can see where their first years compare to their second years, compared to their third years, and should they see a linear progression in their growth. And really emphasizing teaching the understanding of competency-based learning and skills for the residents, as well as the role that the numbers play in developing a residency program. We've also taken time to do some roundtable workshops where we get into groups. Each group has a couple of the facilitators leading the group discussion, and we talk about what you would do to build your program. Today we also discussed establishing accountability, eliminating ambiguity of expectation with the residents, and we also talk about where we see podiatry going in the future and what role we can play as educators in developing and expanding programs.
Very good. Well, I saw a lot of interaction with the participants, and you had a nice large group in there, and I've got to applaud you for the work you're doing in improving education. This is how it all gets better and better and better.
Thank you. And I think that's an amazing piece of this workshop is the dialogue that comes from it. Though we're there presenting information and giving the directors and the faculty members some direction, we learn from them, and the dialogue's important. Everyone has an idea to share, and everybody's growing together, and we definitely welcome that with the group.
Well, thanks very much for the work you do.
Thank you. It's been great.
Signing off from the ResEd Summit Midwest.